Best gaming PC for Fortnite. Hello, my guides fellows. Hope you all are fine and doing well. So, today I'm back with another super exciting video. In this video, I will let you know about the best gaming PC for Fortnite. So, let's see what we have on today's list. And yes, if you like all shared gaming PC for Fortnite, then make sure to like, share, and comment on this video. And also press the bell icon for future video notifications. Number 1. ROG Strix GL10DH Gaming PC. The ROG Strix GL10DH is an entry-stage PC that could effortlessly run Fortnite and lots of different titles. This particular PH552 version is fairly priced and nevertheless offers Acer's kind of quality. The PH552 is full of an AMD Ryzen 3400G processor and 8GB DDR4 RAM in terms of specs. The 512GB NVMe SSD isn't always the largest, however, is extra than sufficient for Fortnite and some different video games. This PC comes with an NVIDIA GTX 1654GB graphics card, which sits at the lowest of NVIDIA's modern lineup. It's enough for Fortnite, however, can also additionally scuffle with extra traumatic video games. You additionally get digital 7.1 surround sound with DTS headphone X, which does an extremely good activity improving your tune and gaming sound. All this is available in a current case with RGB lights and an obvious panel. The ROG Strix GL10DH is first class in case you need to play Fortnite on a constrained budget. However, you will require a higher graphics card in case you are going to experience different video games at their best. Now, let's have a look at the next one, and let's see what we have at this number. Number 2. Dell G5 Gaming PC. The Dell G5 charges somehow extra and has a barely higher GPU card. It has an Intel i7-10700F processor. It's more modern and quicker than the AMD Ryzen 3400G discovered with inside the ROG Strix GL10DH. The space area is likewise tons bigger, with a 128GB NVMe SSD and a 1TB SATA storage drive. You additionally get 16GB DDR4 RAM. It's double the 8GB you get at the ROG. The NVIDIA GTX 1660 Super 6GB GDDR6 graphics card is likewise a development over the ROG PC and is well matched with loaded games. The charge you pay for higher and quality performance shows that you need to sacrifice a few aesthetics. This PC has an elegant black body with ridges at the front panel. There's no glassy window and no RGB lighting. For simply a little extra than the ROG Strix GL10DH, you get appropriate and higher overall performance on the cost of looks. Now, let's see what we have at the next number. I hope you will like the next shared best gaming PC for Fortnite. Number 3. Acer Predator Orion 3000 PR36 120UR14. So, at this number, we have the one Acer Predator Orion 3000 variety is produced from many special computer systems with excessive and occasional specs. The PR36 120UR14 sits inside the center of the variety and has a stability of rate and capabilities. Some characteristics, just like the Intel Core i7-10700 and 16GB RAM, are much like the alternative PC stated above. It additionally comes with a 512 NVMe SSD and a 1TB HDD. This space aggregate is best due to the fact you get a good enough area and stunning pace from the NVMe, and the 1TB HDD presents sufficient space for video games and media. The Orion 3000 PC makes use of the identical RTX 2060 Super 6GB graphics, part because of the MPG Trident, so its gaming overall performance needs to be similar. One of the maximum substantial variations inside the case. The Orion 3000 has a big case with tempered glass panels to reveal the internals. It additionally has elegant RGB lights strolling alongside the front panel to praise the big fan. Other accessible capabilities consist of an integrated headset cradle, a convey handle, and the front USB-C port. Now, let's have a look at the next one and let's see what we have at this number. Number 4. MSI MPG Gaming PC. The MSI MPG Trident charges some hundred extra than the Dell G5. However, it is in a totally exceptional class. It makes use of a comparable Intel i7-10700F processor and has an identical quantity of RAM at 16 GB. Instead of getting an NVMe drive and a SATA space section, it has a 1 TB SSD. The SSD must offer sufficient storage for some games, music, and movies. The main big distinction among the two is that the MPG Trident has an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 Super graphics card. This PC additionally has a classy body with a slender profile, RGB lighting, and glassy windows to test out the internals. The inner side is divided into halves so that you can effortlessly get entry to the components. The main issue with this PC is that the confined storage makes it difficult to improve with inside the future. However, otherwise, it is a stable choice. But yes, if you don't have extra files to store, then it will be okay for your use. Now, let's have a look at the next one. Hope you will like this one too. Number 5, Cyberpower Infinity 8800 Pro C. So, last but not the least, this one is a great option for gamers who can afford high-rated PCS. The Cyberpower Infinity 8800 Pro SE is for those who do not have any issue with making a bigger budget for a custom gaming PC. The exceptional element related to the Infinity 8800 Pro SE is that you may purchase it as its FAR or use the customization alternatives to construct a bespoke rig. You can select the whole thing from the processor and fans to the case and laser engraving. All the extra prices may bring out the rate to skyrocket. The same old build continues to include high-end specs, such as the new Intel i9-10900K processor with 32 GB of RAM along with a 1 TB NVMe drive and a 3 TB SATA drive. Rounding off the deal is the world's most powerful graphics card, the NVIDIA RTX 3090. The Infinity 8800 Pro SE is pricey. However, you may play Fortnite or some other recreation in the best settings. So, this is it for today. So if you like this video, then make sure to like, share, and comment on this video. And also press the bell icon for future notifications. And yes, make sure to subscribe to the channel also. And if you want to check out the other details about these gaming PCS, then you can have details on the links given in the description box.